Can you talk about the intersection of data engineering and DevOps? Yes. So data engineering and DevOps, how is this related? If you look at the data science platform, and when you work as a data engineer, what you do is you're going to build, as I said before, you're going to build pipelines. What you're going to do is you have an API and the data comes here and it's stored somewhere in a message queue, and then what you're going to do is you're going to process it and do stuff with it, and then it goes somewhere, and it comes from somewhere or from here, or it goes from an external database into a data flow app, and then directly into a big data store. And these things, these pipelines, you need to build them. They're not, they don't exist, and somebody needs to code them. And so it's the job of the data engineer to actually code this stuff and then put it into production and run it. And so you're doing the development. You're also usually doing the operations of it. So you are, at some point, you're responsible that your code, your pipelines are working. And so you're doing operations for these platforms. Sometimes in larger, in smaller ventures, the platform stuff, the running of the tools is also the data engineer's job. Sometimes not. Sometimes there are people. Sometimes you're on platform as a service tools from AWS, or so, from a cloud vendor or software as a service, and then you don't need to take care that much of tools. But yeah, generally I would say DevOps is a big part of data engineering.